These 10 facts sound completely fake, but they're all 100% real. Sharks are immune to all known diseases, even cancer. Science is still trying to figure out why. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. About 3 trillion trees, and the Milky Way has only 100 to 400 billion stars. Humans glow in the dark, but we can't see it. We emit weak bioluminescent light. A single cloud can weigh over 1 million pounds, but it still floats like it's nothing. Scotland's national animal is a unicorn. Yes, a mythical creature. Tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur. The stripes go all the way down. There's a town in Norway where it's illegal to die. Bodies can't decompose in the permafrost. Some jellyfish can technically live forever. They reset their life cycle. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Up to 40 minutes. Honey never spoils. Ever. 3,000-year-old honey is still edible. Which one blew your mind the most? Follow for more weird and true top 10s every week.